Removing a system board assembly. Before replacing the components now shown on screen, check the heatsink type of the system to be serviced. If it is a liquid-assisted cooling module, you will need a module handle. Remove the top cover. Disconnect all the cables from the system board assembly. Pull out the power supply slightly. Ensure that they are disconnected from the system board assembly. Hold the lift handle and lift the release pin at the same time, and then slide the system board assembly towards the front of the server. Lift the system board assembly out of the chassis. Remove the screws that secure the system I/O board.
Note: the procedure used to separate a system I/O board from the processor board applies to the following ThinkSystem V3 systems. For demonstration purposes, an SR645 V3 system board assembly is shown here. To separate the system I/O board from the processor board, hook your left index finger around the plunger and lift it. Place both thumbs under the edge of the system I/O board and lift it approximately 3 to 6 degrees up from the supporting sheet metal. Use your thumbs to push against the sheet metal and use your left index finger to pull the system I/O board slightly away from the processor board. While pulling, use your right hand to stabilize the system I/O board and prevent it from rotating. Ensure the gold finger of the system I/O board is less than 10 mm away from the slot on the processor board, and then lift the system I/O board up. If you are going to replace the system I/O board, remove the firmware and ROT security module and micro SD card from the system I/O board.